shit. Oh, that was good. It's still a little bit warm. It looks good, no?
Yeah.
Oil. Yeah, dirty hands. Oh, still quite a bit from oil already.
Does it matter which way is it going?
Don't think so.
Okay.
Shit, we don't have any brake fluid with us though.
No, but still should be enough, no?
Hopefully. So today we're cleaning the car, like really spick and span for Australian quarantine and biosecurity. Hopefully we're not gonna get anything. Oh, there's the poop. It's smelly. And so yeah, this is how it looks now, and hopefully at the end of this day this will be all super shiny and clean, and then hopefully Australian quarantine and biosecurity will not charge us through the nose for again cleaning that is then not needed. So we'll see.
Fabian, make sure that it's clean.
And I'm doing the wheel arches. If it's not clean, I don't know what else, because we took all of the dust away from inside here. There was mud there, so we're cleaning all that. Everything will get cleaned. And we cleaned all inside here. There's no more dust there, nothing. No more mud. It's inside the wheel arch. And when it goes cleaning, then at the top everything gets cleaned totally.
Yeah, it's still dusty again, so I don't know. Yeah.
But we will
Do our best.
Wow.
What are you doing now?
Cleaning, really trying to get all the dust off everywhere, the grease everywhere, and just make sure that there's no freaking grass or dust or anything. So it's just we clean everything, like everything we clean. So I really don't think that biosecurity can find any dust. If they do, I mean they will never clean it as good as we are cleaning it. I mean that is just
Crazy.
I mean if we get stung by biosecurity, yeah, I don't know what we could have done better then.
Are we closer?
I think it's pretty clean on the bottom. Right, well this is how clean the car is now. I mean, look at that. That is spotless. Honestly. There is no dust. Nowhere. Everything is really, really spotless. No sand, no dust, no grass, no nothing. So I think we should be good. Wheel arches, super clean, super clean. Back of the car, other side, wheel arches, super clean, shiny clean. Under the car, super clean, shiny clean. Not a speck of dust, not a speck of oil, not a drop of oil I should say, but no dust, no grass, no nothing here, nothing to see, everything clean as a whistle. Engine bay, totally clean, super clean. Radiator, really clean, no bugs, know if you can see it, but there's no bugs nowhere. Should not be any bugs. Outside we still need to clean, but that's the last thing. The engine bay looks really dust free almost everywhere. I mean, you can't do everything, but this is as clean as it can be, I'm sure. Right, 3 days of cleaning. All the last dust particle is gone. Everything is spick and span under the car, no dust, nothing inside the car, no dust, nothing, no bugs. Radiator is clean, the intercooler grill is clean, no bugs, no dust, looks like it is new. Under the car everything's super clean, super clean. You can see it maybe. And this side all very clean. Got the new stickers on. I know we're not in Australia yet, but it was clean now, so I thought I'll just put it on. Here's been a drop. Oh no, that's been a scratch. Anyway, it's super clean. All the tires are cleaned. We washed these ones fully. Wheels are clean. New Zealand, Australia there as well. Yeah, looking good.